Bingx, the ultimate platform for predicting your way to riches. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, traders and investors are constantly seeking platforms that offer cutting-edge features, robust security, and the potential to maximize their returns. One such platform that has been gaining significant traction in the crypto space is Bingx, a comprehensive crypto exchange that empowers users to navigate the volatile market with confidence and precision. Bingx is a global, social-based crypto trading platform that caters to a diverse range of traders, from seasoned professionals to newcomers in the cryptocurrency realm. With its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide selection of digital assets, Bingx has positioned itself as a premier destination for those seeking to capitalize on the dynamic cryptocurrency market. One of the standout features of Bingx is its emphasis on social trading, which allows users to connect with a community of experienced traders and follow their strategies. This innovative approach enables novice traders to learn from the best, effectively mirroring the trading decisions of successful individuals and potentially replicating their lucrative outcomes. Another key aspect of Bingx is its advanced trading capabilities. The platform offers a robust suite of trading tools, including real-time price charts, customizable order types, and comprehensive market analysis. This empowers traders to make informed decisions, execute trades with precision, and stay ahead of the curve in the volatile crypto landscape. Security is of utmost importance in the world of cryptocurrency, and Bingx takes this matter seriously. The platform employs state-of-the-art security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for digital assets, and regular security audits, ensuring the safety of users' funds and personal information. One of the unique features that sets Bingx apart is its innovative copy trading functionality. This feature allows users to identify and follow successful traders, effectively automating their trading strategy and potentially replicating their gains. This can be particularly beneficial for novice traders who may lack the experience or time to conduct in-depth market analysis and make informed trading decisions on their own. In addition to its robust trading capabilities, Bingx also offers a comprehensive ecosystem of crypto-related services, including a lending platform, staking opportunities, and a diverse selection of digital assets. This holistic approach empowers users to diversify their portfolios, explore different investment avenues, and potentially maximize their returns. To further enhance the user experience, Bingx has developed a mobile app that provides seamless access to the platform's features and functionalities. Whether on the go or at home, users can stay connected to the crypto market, monitor their portfolios, and execute trades with ease. One of the key advantages using Bingx is its global reach and regulatory compliance. The platform is available in multiple countries, catering to a wide range of traders and investors worldwide. Moreover, Bingx adheres to strict regulatory guidelines, ensuring that its operations are transparent and in line with industry standards. For those interested in exploring the potential of Bingx, the platform offers a referral code 911 that can be used during the registration process. This code can provide users with exclusive benefits, such as discounted trading fees or additional rewards, further enhancing their trading experience and potential for success. Bingx is a comprehensive crypto exchange that offers a compelling combination of advanced trading tools, social trading capabilities, and a robust security framework. With its user-friendly interface, mobile app accessibility, and a wide range of crypto-related services, Bingx has positioned itself as a premier destination for traders and investors seeking to navigate the dynamic cryptocurrency market and potentially achieve their financial aspirations. By utilizing the referral code 911 during registration, users can unlock additional benefits and embark on their journey towards predicting their way to riches.